Okay, it's time for our rhyme time. I'm going to share my screen.
Penny, nickel, dime. It's time for a rhyme. We know words that sound the same. Now it's time to play our game.
We're going to learn a silly new rhyme about a silly place to live. It's called Peter, Peter, Pumpkin Eater. The rhyme has words that start with the same sound. This is called alliteration. Listen carefully for the words that start in the same way when we're doing our poem.
Peter, Peter, pumpkin eater, had a wife and couldn't keep her. He put her in a pumpkin shell, and there he kept her very well.
Okay, I heard some of the same sounds in that poetry. It sounded, there were a lot of P words like Peter and pumpkin and put. Let's listen to it again.
Peter, Peter, pumpkin eater, had a wife and couldn't keep her. He put her in a pumpkin shell, and there he kept her very well.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to have fun like changing the rhyme a little bit. So instead of saying Peter, Peter, we're going to make all those sounds start with an M. So we're going to say meter, meter, mumpkin meter, had a wife and couldn't keep her. He mut her in a mumpkin shell, and there he kept her very well. Or we could try it with another letter. How about S? Cedar, cedar, sumpkin eater, had a wife and couldn't keep her. He set her in a sunken shell, and there he kept her very well. And we'll try it with the letter D, F, and G. So let's do that. And that's our rhyme time.